Synergen is actually our recent buy on 7 March, hit our first target, gain about 7.9% on the same day. So the subsequent pullback has seen the stock back to the level where we earlier entry, right within 89 cents. Yesterday closing at 90 cents. You can see here, despite some sort of selling pressure, the ongoing, what we call that, pullback was likely to be kept. We can see there's a plenty of support right within at the current level. So the support at 83 cents right to 85.5, keeping the stock pretty much intact in terms of overall trend. So we think re-entry is possible given the lower risk to reward ratio, while we maintain the same target at 96 cents and 1 ringgit and 6 cents. So if you notice, the trend is remain, I would say, current level is right within at support level, so it's still pretty much attractive. Long-term view still pretty much on the upside. All right, then we have HSS Engineer. The recent pullback did not change or alter the stock ongoing uptrend. You can see the stock continue to trade within the 50-day and 200-day moving average. There's a new series of higher low structure was formed right since September. So that means the uptrend since September last year is pretty much intact. Series of higher high structure also was in line. And yesterday again, you can see here a little bit improving in terms of the trading volume, signal the interest is still pretty much there. Pending a stronger breakout above, let's say, I think about 48 cents, it could actually kickstart a new uptrend, and this stochastic could turn pretty much positive. So we put our target at 51.5 cents and 57 cents. Then last stock we have will be Jet. So one of the reasons why we have Jet, because if you look at the stock kind of trend since May 2021, you can see the stock was pretty much in massive consolidation pattern. However, there's an interesting development, particularly when you saw this is the board that I draw earlier. So you can see how the stock actually start recovering from 30 cents, create a new baseline, consolidate first block here, and then you have another phase over here, and then stock has a breakout, create another high structure. So you have another consolidation within this block. And as per yesterday again, on the back of higher trading volume and momentum improving, so we think there's a decent chance that the ongoing uptrend set to accelerate further. So the immediate resistance was seen at right within 39 cents, but we put our major or the first initial resistance right at 42 cents, which is right within at 61.8 of the major what we call that high and low earlier. So the next target should be between the fractional 61.8 over here at 47.5 cents. As for now, Jack look quite interesting, and despite so-called the uptrend movement, you can see here right within 20, 50 and 200 moving average, given the stock nature, it could take quite some time to move, but regardless, the trend is still quite favorable.